Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In the last video, we learned about take function and today we will learn another new Excel function called drop. This function is just opposite of take function. The drop function excludes a specified number of rows or columns from the start or end of an given array. The syntax of drop function is similar to take function. The first argument is the array from which we have to drop or exclude the rows or columns. The second argument is the number of rows which you want to drop. If you use a negative number, it will drop rows from the end of the array. The third argument is optional and it is the number of columns to drop. Again, a negative number will drop columns from the end of the array. For example, to drop or exclude the first 10 rows of data type equals to drop open bracket, select the data, comma 10 closing bracket and press enter. It will return the data after excluding the top 10 rows. So you can see that first 10 rows are not available in the output data. Now to drop the last 10 rows, type equals to drop open bracket, select the data, comma minus 10 closing bracket and press enter. It will return the data after excluding the last 10 rows because we have used a negative number. Similarly, to drop the first two columns of the data, type equals to drop open bracket, select the data, comma, comma again, type 2 closing bracket and press enter. Now it will show last three columns. Here we have skipped the rows argument, so all rows are returned after excluding first two columns. Now to drop the first five rows and last three columns of the data, type equals to drop open bracket, select the data, comma 5, comma minus 3 closing bracket and press enter. Now it will show data after removing the top 5 rows and last 3 columns of the data. Here we have used negative number in the column argument, so it will remove last 3 columns of the data. The drop function becomes even more powerful when combined with other Excel functions. For example, to drop the 5 lowest sales, we will combine drop function with sort function. So first, to sort the data in ascending order by the sales column, type equals to sort open bracket, select the data, comma, the sales data is in fourth column. So type 4, comma 1 for ascending order, closing bracket and press enter. This will sort the data in ascending order by the sales column. Now wrap the sort function with drop function to drop the top 5 rows showing lowest sales value. So type drop after equals to sign, open bracket, and after sort function type comma 5 closing bracket and press enter. It will drop 5 lowest sales value. Now this is how you can use the drop function and also combine it with other functions. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more Excel tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.